Hey everyone, my name's Jillian and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you an easy way to make chia seed pudding overnight for breakfast. For this recipe, you're going to need chia seeds and any kind of milk that you'd like to use. I use unsweetened organic almond milk. An optional idea is to add in any type of flavor or protein powder that you like. I make these in very small glass food storage containers that are airtight. I'll put a link below to my favorite ones that I found on Amazon, but you can really use any type of container that you have at home. You can use any size container or make any quantity of the chia seed pudding, but the key thing is to use equal parts milk and chia seeds. You can make this in bulk, so I'll show you how I do this to set myself up for breakfast for several days. Start by pouring the milk into your containers. I use 1/4 cup to perfectly fit into this size container. This is an optional step. You can add chocolate or vanilla protein powder, or you can add fun flavors like banana cinnamon, like you'll see I'm adding here. Another idea is matcha powder. That's another good one. Just experiment with the flavors. I don't even measure these out. I just sprinkle some in and it turns out fine. No matter which flavor I add to the pudding, I always add a splash of organic bourbon vanilla from Trader Joe's. Just make sure you mix it up well, whatever you add, so it's a smooth texture when you finish. Then it's time to pour in the chia seeds. Use the same amount as you used for the milk. So again, I'm using 1/4 cup of chia seeds. You're going to need to work quickly for this step because the mixture of the milk and the chia seeds is going to start to harden. Working with room temperature milk as opposed to milk that you've had in your refrigerator helps with this a little bit. Just make sure to stir the chia seeds into the milk right away. I like to do this with a butter knife actually, because it helps me scrape the sides of the container and make sure that I get all of the chia seeds evenly mixed in. Once your chia seed pudding looks smooth, you're ready to refrigerate your containers. Place them in the refrigerator overnight. The next morning, take out your chia seed pudding and it's ready for whatever toppings you'd like to add. Here's my favorite combination of ingredients for the toppings. I start with a base of raw slivered almonds. Then I add raw pecan pieces on top of that. I'll sprinkle some organic cacao nibs and then finally finish off with mesquite honey from Trader Joe's. If you want to make this process even easier, you can buy milk that has flavor already built in. I used to make this with Orgain's organic vanilla almond milk and it tasted great. I would still add the vanilla to boost up the flavor, but it's a way to save time in adding flavors. The reason I'm adding these powders is I really want to customize the kind of protein and the kind of flavor that I'm adding in. And I want to use real vanilla instead of like just flavors of vanilla that are often in the almond milks that you find at the store. If you want to see more easy breakfast ideas, I made a video on my favorite breakfast foods from Trader Joe's. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. If you found this helpful, tap that like button to let me know. This is a new channel where I'm making videos on ways to elevate different areas of your life. And that includes DIY projects, home decor, organization tips, product reviews, and more. I'd love to have you join me for the next video, so tap the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Good luck making your chia seed pudding, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!